Welcome into this course where, in a short amount of time and without too much content, you will be able to unlock the hidden powers of ChatGPT from an expert ChatGPT user. So without further ado, let us jump right into the ways that can help you superpower your career and 10x your productivity with this hidden gem that is ChatGPT that, unfortunately, not many professionals are actually using, even though it can make your life significantly easier and 10x your productivity. I've had people that I have taught ChatGPT that now are operating businesses online, and some of them are actually using ChatGPT in their own work to boost their productivity and are achieving a lot of things. And there's a lot of great feedback that comes to me from them. And I'm really happy to be able to provide this knowledge to the world. And so let's get into it. So in order to use ChatGPT, you need to go to chatgpt.com, or simply put, go to Google and search for ChatGPT and access chatgpt.com. Now, once you are inside of the interface, you'll notice that it looks something like this. Now, it might be that your interface is not a black screen, and that's because here in the settings option, you can simply click and go to the settings. And basically from here, you can actually enable dark mode by clicking on the theme dark mode. Now, we'll explore the settings in a second, but first of all, let's go ahead and explore the different versions that ChatGPT has. So starting here, you need to click this particular button and you'll see that you have multiple models. Now, we must make the distinction that there are two different versions of ChatGPT. There's the Pro version and the free version. Now, the free version, for the most part, doesn't allow you access to the ChatGPT models with the number 4 in them. Here, you can see that the ones with the number 4 are GPT-4o, GPT-4o with Canvas, and still here, if you click on more models, there's GPT-4o Mini and GPT-4. We'll get to the difference between them in a minute. But these are the models that exist. And so when ChatGPT was first released, the first model was GPT-3. It was not capable of generating images. Its knowledge was limited to a specific datum point in time because it was a static model. Now it's a dynamic model. It can browse the web using the GPT-4 model, so it can get information directly from the internet. But the versions such as O1 Mini and O1 Preview are still not capable of generating images. And for the most part, are also not capable of many things that the versions with number 4 are capable of. So if you want to generate images, browse the web, use the advanced data analytics feature, then GPT-4 versions with the number 4 in them are capable of that. Now, whenever you want to choose a model, you can just select it from the model. So in this case, I would like to use GPT-4o Mini. Now, you can use any different model that you'd like. It depends on what you want to use. And if you click it, you'll see that right here, it's set. And here, if I may, you can see that you have multiple options such as attach files, search the web, plus we have this option, which is use voice mode. Now, let's start with that. Let's actually click use voice mode. Now, you just have to choose the microphone that you would like to use. In this case, I'm choosing my microphone AT2020 USB, and I will be able to communicate directly with ChatGPT. And so right now, I can communicate directly with ChatGPT. Could you please help me with my emails? I'm still struggling to write a lot of emails. I have a lot of emails that I've received from suppliers, and I want to program you so that you can just start answering these emails on an automatic basis. So the point is, I'm going to give you the emails and then you just write the best answer possible for those emails. Is that okay with you?
Absolutely. I can help with that. Just provide the emails you need responses to, and I'll draft the best replies for you. Let's tackle those emails together.